In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in ClickUp. Gantt charts are incredibly useful tools for visualizing your project's timeline, helping you understand how tasks overlap and when they need to be completed. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to effortlessly create and use Gantt charts in ClickUp to better organize your projects and manage your team's workload. First things first, you'll need to navigate to clickup.com and ensure you're logged into your account. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool, and to create a Gantt chart, you'll need to have some tasks already set up. Before diving into the creation of the chart, make sure each task you want to include has both a start date and a due date or end date. The reason for this is that Gantt charts rely heavily on these dates to show task duration and dependencies across your project timeline. If any task you're planning to visualize doesn't have these dates set, I recommend you take a moment to update them. Once you've ensured that your tasks have the necessary dates, it's time to navigate to the space folder or list that contains these tasks. This is where you'll establish your Gantt view, so make sure you're in the right location within ClickUp. Now, with your space folder or list open, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see several view options such as list and board. Here, you'll spot the plus view button, which is generally found alongside your existing view options. Clicking on the plus view button will present a drop-down menu with various view options. From this list, you are going to select the Gantt view. This is an exciting moment because with just a click, ClickUp will instantly generate the Gantt chart for you. It will automatically display your tasks as colored bars stretching across a timeline, allowing you to see at a glance how tasks overlap, which ones are concurrent, and their specific start and end dates. The beauty of a Gantt chart is its visual simplicity and its ability to give you clear insight into your project. You'll notice that tasks are color-coded, providing an intuitive way to track progress and easily identify where things stand at any moment. Now that your Gantt chart is set up, you can adjust timelines by dragging the bars, set dependencies between tasks, or even add new ones directly in this view. Experiment with it to see how it best suits your workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Gantt chart in ClickUp. With this powerful visual tool, managing your projects just got a whole lot easier. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find Gantt charts as beneficial in your project management efforts as countless others do. See you in the next video.